Have you been thinking of where to volunteer and you've made all the old searches but couldn't find any place? Hello, everybody. My name is Adebisi Edmund, and you're welcome to my community where I talk about tips and resources that can help virtual assistants land a remote role. In my video today, I'll be sharing tips that helped me to land one of my first ever remote role, which I'm still doing now. And what really helped me is volunteering. I remember I applied for volunteering in this particular site severally, which I'm going to walk you through step by step how to use the site and how to use it the right way. Like I said, my video will always be under 3 minutes. I don't want to be creating long video here because I believe everybody's busy and we all need to buy time. So I'll be sharing you how to go about it now. Welcome to Live. This is a platform where you can gain the necessary skills that you need and volunteer to hone your skills while trying to work remotely and have the remote experience. So this is Live, and on this portal, you have the opportunity to get the experience and skills you need to land your next job. Then you can see on this portal, get the experience and skills. So that's what it's all about. They connect business owners, founders, CEOs, NGOs with uh, people who are interested in gaining the necessary remote skills. So there are so many opportunities available, and these are some of them. Some of the opportunities available are here. Let me go back a little bit. So see, executive assistant to CEO, this was posted 5 days ago, still active and you can still apply. So in this particular role, you're going to learn about the company when you click on this page, the activities, the requirements, the duration, those skills that you're going to gain during those periods. Of course, you are here to learn, so you should be able to put in the work. So don't worry. There always be something at the end of it. After volunteering for 3 months, you're going to get testimonial for your Skilled Up Live. You're going to get your CV or resume testimonial for LinkedIn. And you also had Skilled Up Live company to your profile on LinkedIn, which shows that you've actually worked with them before and you are a good person, you know what you're doing, and you can be recommended to work with other people. So once you click on apply now, automatically you just apply for it. So there's no need of crafting anything here. Just click on apply. Once you apply, your profile that I've told you to create it, this is your profile. It should be automatically shared with the company. This is my own profile. You can see my name, my skills, what I can do, my qualification, about me. All the details are here. So once you have your profile ready and you apply for those volunteering roles, just click on apply now and you'll be redirected. You don't need to do any other thing. Just click on apply now and your profile will be automatically shared with them. And these are some of the job I've applied for. So now, what I want to say is that you can't just apply once and you expect them to give you the job immediately. You still need to take some time before you get response. And at least it's a game of number. And you need to apply for at least like 10 opportunities before you can be seen. Don't just apply for once and you be looking for more ways to to get job immediately. Let's say you can even try search for keywords there like executive assistant and it's going to bring, did you say it will bring it. If you want to niche down as a social media manager, you can just click on social media manager, and it's going to bring it hot out for you. See, see, see. Can you see it? So this place you get a good opportunity to learn, to own your skill. And it doesn't matter even though I'm actually working remotely, I am still volunteering because it is part of what made me to get to where I am today. And this is where I'm going to stop in my video today. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe for more, and tell me in the comment section what opportunity are you looking for and what would you like me to talk about in my next video. And I'll see you again